Yeah.
Okay, so just got off my Uber and looking for the group right now.
Okay. I think it's about time for me to go. Like I dive deep. Like I'm last week night with the flow here. Johnny boy, my peeps. I'm an infotainment state. My brain ain't contained.
Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Recently Traveled. It's time for another video, and this time I'm collaborating with the Integration Center Prague, and I'm going for an activity. That activity is Clean Czechia. So we all want to care for the planet, and that's why we all are here together. Czech Republic is close to 10 million, and the number of foreigners living here currently are close to 4,25,000. So organizations like Integration Center Prague work closely with the foreigners to provide help to them. So today I have Martha here with me, who will be telling us something about this activity.
Hello! So today we are going to clean area around Hammer Pond in Prague 10, and we are doing this in cooperation with municipality of Prague 10. Every year we organize this activity and clean some area in Prague. So that's how we want to make our city more clean and more comfortable.
It's lovely to know Martha, and if you don't know it already, Integration Center Prague is an organization that helps and cooperates with the foreigners to provide them various services like the Czech language courses, some help with the legal services, and many others. I will link the website of this organization right here, and you can check them out if you are living here as a foreigner in Prague. All set. Everybody is now headed in different directions and have started the cleaning activity. Let's meet few of our volunteers. Are you a photographer?
It's my hobby.
Nice. Hey guys, how's it going?
Either way down, reduce the pound. Sorry, didn't mean to piss off a cold. Stuck in youth and revolt without a cause. A rebel in love with applause. Like narcissism, I got. Like the life is all there is. Like the follow count, yo.
I think I found a fellow Indian here, so let's meet him. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Karan.
And tell us why you are here for this activity.
Today I was free, so I thought I should join, meet some new people here.
Okay. So we have cleaned one side and now heading to another side, which is near the pond. Where are you from?
I'm Anka and I'm from Germany. I'm Ala and I'm from Moscow, Russia.
Okay, so is this your first time volunteering for the ICP?
First time.
Okay, and how do you like it?
I like it very much. It's first time and I met already very nice, interesting people, so I love it.
There are 2 senior citizens in our group, so let's try and catch up with them. Ahoy! Ukraine. Okay. I'm from India. So that was all for my today's video. If you like watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you again.